Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Mailchimp account to Shopify store. So first of all, what you have to do is sign into your Mailchimp account. Once you're signed in, then you have to open your Shopify store on another tab on your browser. Once you're signed in on both of the accounts, what you have to do is go to your Shopify store and click on the search bar, which is on the top. Click on apps. Now you'll be able to search apps. Now what you have to do is type in Mailchimp. You will see Mailchimp email and SMS. Click on it. A new tab will open. From here, what you have to do is install the new application on your Shopify store. Click on install. Again, a new tab will open. Now, once again, you have to click on install button. Now, Mailchimp has been installed successfully on your Shopify store. Now, what you have to do is click on this login button. A new pop-up window will appear. From here, what you have to do is allow all the permissions to authorize Mailchimp for Shopify. So simply click on allow. Now, this page will open. As you can see, Mailchimp is now authorized. What you can do is click on Sync Now. If you click on the Sync Now button, what will happen? All of your orders, your products, your customers, each and everything will be sent from your Shopify store to your Mailchimp account with only this single button. So click on Sync Now to synchronize your Shopify account with Mailchimp. Click on it. As you can see, my Shopify account is now connected and synchronized everything with Mailchimp. But I have 0 contacts. But if you have orders and contacts on your Shopify store, everything will be synchronized with Mailchimp. Now you can create automations and send welcome emails, create automations, each and everything with the help of this integration. And that's how you can connect your Mailchimp account with your Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.